Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to yet another online English class. So, today we are going to learn how to write the letters G, H, I, J, K, and L. So, all these letters are based on the curved lines which you have already practiced in your copies. Now, let us begin. First, we will start recognizing the letters. Capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l. Now let us begin with small cursive G. Now this is based on the pattern this which you have already know. Now we will make the pattern, extend it and G. Now again, first we will make the pattern, close it, extend it till the fourth line, red line, and then a tail like this. Now again, pattern, curved line in the bottom and a tail. Again, pattern, curved line at the bottom and a tail. The tail should lie between the two blue lines. Now again, like this. Now the next is small cursive H. Now small cursive H is based on this pattern. First we will draw the pattern, extend it and then a curved line forming a tail. Again, pattern and then a tail. The tail pattern will be drawn between the two blue lines. Now the next is I. Now small cursive I is based on pattern this. You just have to draw the pattern for once and put a dot. We will make the pattern and put a dot, and this forms small cursive I. Let us see it again. One more time. Now next is small cursive J. Now J is based on the pattern of I, but it is a little complex letter. One of the tail extends till the fourth red line and then comes back. Now children, if you have any problem forming it, you can take help of your parents, draw dotted lines and then you can trace the pattern of J. So letter J is a little difficult, so you have to practice it in your rough copies before you do it finally in your classwork copies. Now see it again. First we will draw I, extend it till red line and then a tail and a dot. like this. Now the next is K. Now K is also a little difficult. It has many patterns, but the basic pattern is the pattern used for L and H. So first we will draw the pattern, extend it, form a circle and then a slanting line. Pattern, circle and a slanting line. Then again a pattern, L-shaped pattern, circle and a slanting line. Let us see it again. L-shaped pattern, circle and a slanting line. Now we will move towards small cursive L. So small cursive L is based on this pattern. Small cursive L is again very easy. You just have to draw the pattern once and small cursive L is done like this. See it again. Once more. One more time. Alright children, so you will practice it at home and then I will give you homework to do it in the classwork copy. Thank you all. This is all for the day. Stay at home, stay safe and keep learning.